NBA acknowledges Sanusi as Emir amid Kano Emirate dispute. Amid Kano Emirate tussle. Exactly. He is an Emir. The state has made the law, and every other person is meant to implement the law. That is it. So Nigerian Bar Association has come together to recognize and have already recognized Emir Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano amidst the struggle. Even though the judiciary have been issuing counter court order and court order and counter court order conflicting and contradicting each other, NBA, I'm sure it's in a bid to settle that disparity between the federal high court and the state high court judgment in Kano State. A situation where two different judges of the court, okay, both as state and federal, were issuing contradicting court orders against Sanusi. State judiciary is saying Sanusi is the emir, while the federal high court is saying that Sanusi is not the emir. I don't understand. So NBA now being a body under the judiciary, anyway, an association of of lawyers in Nigeria, okay, has now come out to say Emir is the authentic Emir of Kano, that is Emir Sanusi, Lamido Sanusi. So now they have come together to recognize him, which is a good word. And that should, so the question is, what is happening to Bayero? Is he still parading himself as Emir, even when the state high court has said that he should not parade himself as Emir anymore and he should vacate the palace? Has he vacated the Zamfara Palace in Kano? He should have vacated it by now if he has not. So the Nigerian Bar Association has acknowledged Muhammadu Sanusi II as the rightful ruler of the Kano Emirate amidst the ongoing power struggle for the throne. Besides the recognition from all district heads in Kano's 44 local government areas, council chairmen, commissioners, and prominent Kano and Nigerian citizens, the NBA, Nigerian Bar Association, has also affirmed Sanusi's status as the 16th Emir of Kano by inviting him to their ongoing annual conference in Kano. So the conference held at Amani Event Center in Kano was attended by notable figures including the President of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Benedict Bakwaf Kanyip, NBA President Yakubu Maikayu San, and the Chief Judge of Kano State, Justice DJ Aboki, and other legal luminaries. So this event marks the first annual NBA conference for the entire northern region. Can you imagine? So in light of the event's significance, the NBA extended an official invitation to Emir Sanusi requesting his presence, royal blessings, and an address to the attendees. So Emir Sanusi, speaking at the NBA conference through his representative Maher Bashir Wali, the Walin Kano, warmly welcomed the participants and highlighted Kano's long, enviable history as a cultural and commercial nerve center of the northern region. So the monarch stated that the conference's theme, Administration of Justice in Nigeria, Challenges and Reforms, was apt, emphasizing that peace, a prerequisite for progress and development, can only be achieved through justice in the land. Okay, so when it is about the small man, you start talking about justice, okay, and when it is about the big man, it is being purchased. When will Nigerian justice stop being for the highest bidder? That is the question that these guys need to answer. They really need to answer the question. State Governor Abakabe Yusuf saw the conference as a good opportunity to challenge NBA members on the conflicting court orders regarding the Kano Emirate also, emphasizing that the case is purely a state affair. Exactly. So represented by the Secretary to the State Government, Abdullahi Bakpa Bichi, the Governor, all legal practitioners at the conference to tell their clients the truth about bad cases, even if it is bitter, rather than satisfying them by pursuing actions outside the ambit of the law. So to tackle the challenges facing the administration of justice in Nigeria, the governor emphasized the importance of upholding the rule of law and implementing comprehensive judicial reforms. So Barrister O.M. Femi, speaking on the Emirate Torso, noted that while the NBA is aware of the situation, it is crucial for the court to decide to prevent further grievances among involved parties, setting a precedent for future cases. So he emphasized that the current Emir of Kano is His Royal Majesty Muhammad Sanusi II, evident from his representation at the ongoing NBA annual conference, which signifies the recognition according to him by legal practitioners. Barrister Femi said the NBA is not unaware of what is happening, but it is good that the court is to decide so that none of the parties involved would be aggrieved again. The ruling will set a precedent for lawyers and judges on such matters in the future. However, you don't need to be told or to wear binoculars to see that His Royal Majesty Muhammadu Sanusi II is the current Emir of Kano. Nothing explains this fact more than what could be deducted or deduced from the ongoing NBA's annual conference attended by Muhammad Sanusi II by proxy. So the recognition according to him by the legal practitioners of our land tells it all. Exactly. So no controversy anywhere. No controversy. All right. So in the comment section, somebody is saying, how can you as a stranger enter somebody's village without paying homage to the village head? What NBA did was the correct thing. Exactly. Somebody say, what you join NBA with traditional titles? What are you talking? When the matter reach now, not be lawyers you go meet to go defend you for court. How can you say that? Is NBA different from the judicial arm of government? NBA, the Higher Association of Workers, just like you have Pengasan Nupeng, NS and TUC. NBA has their own group, and that is what it is. They are association of legal practitioners. Somebody said they will regret such a decision. What decision are you talking about? What is the business of NBA in traditional talk show in Kano? NBA has now turned to a political party. It's not a political party, my friend, and listening very carefully. What you should have as well asked, what is the business of the Federal High Court and the State High Court in the business of traditional councils in Kano? That is it. Some people ask questions, they don't even know what they're saying. And somebody say, what concerns NBA and traditional rulers is strange. You don't know what is happening. NBA has misfired. They have not misfired at all. It's their business. They need to put straight what is happening between the Federal High Court and the State High Court in Kano. That is it. So thank you for listening, and let's have your comment over recognition of Emir Sanusi II by NBA in Kano.